What if I told you your next legal assistant might not be a person, but an AI? From writing contracts to fighting parking tickets, artificial intelligence is shaking up the legal world, and fast. Meet Do Not Pay, the world's first robot lawyer. This tool started by helping people fight parking tickets. Now, it can handle customer service disputes, cancel subscriptions, and even sue robocallers, all without picking up the phone. Need to draft the contract and get it signed? Enter PandaDoc. It uses templates and smart automation to build contracts in minutes, send them out, and collect e-signatures. No legal team required. And what about process transparency? That's where Scribe AI comes in. It watches your workflow and auto-generates step-by-step guides, perfect for onboarding new legal assistants or explaining compliance processes. Together, these tools don't just save time. They reshape how legal work gets done. AI is cutting the busy work and letting legal professionals focus on what really matters: strategy, advocacy, and results. Whether you're running a solo firm or managing a legal team, these AI tools are more than just helpful. They're the future. Would you trust an AI lawyer with your case?